Josh with Sterling Equipment and Repair in Cottonwood, Minnesota, and we service and sell the Manitou MLT line of equipment. Behind me you can see an MLT 961, which is Manitou's largest and arguably most impressive machine in their MLT lineup. MLT stands for Manitou Loader Telescopic, and the 961 standing for 9 meters of boom reach and 6 metric tons of capacity. This machine offers nearly 30 feet of reach and will handle over 13,000 pounds, which makes it an ideal machine in a large material handling environment. As with all of the MLTs, this machine comes standard with features such as a reversing engine fan, cab heat, air conditioning, and this is the Elite package offered by Manitou. So ride control, including active ride control, is a standard feature on the machine, as well as the new bib load tires, and this machine also comes with frame leveling. Starting at the base of the machine, Manitou has equipped the MLT 961 with the new bib load tire, which is wider than the traditional tractor style tread, offering more stability and allows this machine to maintain more capacity at higher lift heights as it moves up. Also helping with this is a frame leveling system that they have equipped this machine with. There's a cylinder on the right side here that helps to allow the operator to level the frame, and there's indicators both in the cab and outside here on the main frame for in relation to the frame itself, and then an overall level indicator with a bubble up top. Manitou designs the boom on all MLT models to handle the rigors of agriculture work by using a C-channel design where you're only dealing with one weld on each side, which is significantly stronger than a plate design where you have 4 pieces and welds on each corner. Moving towards the attachment plate, Manitou uses an impressive sized tilt cylinder that is well protected by the structure between the boom and the attachment plate, keeping it free from damage during everyday use. The Manitou quick attach design is tried, true, and reliable, featuring plenty of metal, and they have a hydraulic quick attach that is standard on this model. It uses the same hydraulics as the auxiliary hydraulics, and you simply, when you hook up an hydraulic attachment, swap this lever and you'll switch over to those. This machine has an impressive 40 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow and features limited continuous flow hydraulics as well. Manitou engineers have spent a lot of effort on designing the cab area using their silent force technology and other patented things. The door itself has a nice push button opening that is reasonably easy to use, and then with the new design, Manitou has improved with the door a cutout over the steps that gives excellent visibility to the steps getting in and especially when getting out, and seals up well with this cutout here. As with any Elite package in an MLT machine, these cabs come with all the amenities: cab heat, AC. This has an air ride grammer seat in it, and then of course the steering wheel and everything is adjustable. Manitou designs this machine so you can drive with one hand on your steering wheel and your right hand on your JSM control all day long. Your rocker switches control your boom movement and auxiliary movements. You have your shuttle control right on top. And then the frame leveling in this machine is a button that's on the back side of the joystick here that allows you to level your machine side to side. The ergonomics in this machine are excellent because your ability to change from crab steer to all-wheel steer, etc. is in these switches, along with some extra auxiliary functions. And these switches have the information stored in them, not the location, so you can move these around to customize the operator experience. Also, down here to the right, there's 3 dials here that allow you to limit your travel speed, as well as limiting your auxiliary flow depending on what kind of attachments you are, combining for an excellent work day in this cab. As you can see, Manitou has made it very easy to get to the 141 horsepower John Deere engine that they power the MLT 961 with. All the service points on this engine are easy to get to. Majority of the filters are back here, and then we have the single stack radiator and coolers up front. As with all MLTs, there's an automatic reversing engine fan that's hydraulically driven. and they make a nice screen to help limit the amount of debris that you're getting through your radiator. They've built in nice access panels underneath for servicing and draining fluids, and the emission system runs out the back to diffuse the heat away from the engine compartment. As you can see here on the rear of the machine, Manitou has built-in grease banks to make everyday servicing of the machine much simpler, easy to get to. They're located on the axles by the tires, up front, and then also here on the rear of the machine. As you can see, the machine has a large counterweight bumper. Not only does this provide the weight needed to achieve the large lift capacity, but it also helps protect the area of the machine that you cannot see as well. The drivetrain and transmission are robustly built, and so this machine has a pretty decent towing capacity, and there's a hitch on the back. You can take your hay wagon to the field, unhitch, load it up, and tow it back home with just this machine, rather than having multiple operators and machines. There's Spicer axles on this MLT 961, and the drivetrain is built to meet with the high demands of agriculture. With a CVT transmission combined with our John Deere engine, this machine has speeds up to 25 miles per hour, and the CVT makes for a very nice operator experience. On behalf of Sterling Equipment and Repair, we appreciate you watching this video. We have other videos if you're interested in other machines in the Manitou, Gale, or Kuhn-Krause lines. If you have more questions about the MLT 961 or any other machines, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help. Thanks. Work using a best. Okay, I'll get it this time. And and then I ran out of juice. Reasonably